Hi there, Leigh Farnell here. People often ask us, hey Leigh, what's the difference between a system and a process? Is there a difference between a system and a process? People often use the words interchangeably. Well, let's take a look at this, go in more detail what we're actually talking about here. When we're talking about a system is the big picture. It's the what. The communication system, the sales system, the finance system, the marketing system, the mass transit system, the logistics system, the purchasing system. It's the what, the big part. But when we talk process, that's a different ballgame. A process is the how, it's the smaller components of a system. For example, if we're talking a mass transit system, then there'll be the ticketing process. There'll be the cleaning process, the smaller steps. If we're talking sales system, we're talking sales planning process. We're talking rapport building process. We're talking needs discovery process. We're talking objection handling process. We're talking pipeline management process. The system is the sales system, the communication system, but let's go another one. Let's talk, for example, the customer experience system. What is our system for customer experience? Well, there'll be the phone answering process. There'll be the welcoming process. There'll be, if I'm running a restaurant, the order process. There'll be the taking of money and the bill process. And you'll break the process down. And of course, as we say, the devil is in the detail. You know, the devil is in the detail. And as one of my mentors said to me recently, said, Leigh, there's only a small difference between good and great. And someone said, you know, good is the enemy of great. And it's just that little bit of extra attention. Attention to what? Attention to the detail. So we specialize in helping you capture, train, induct, and have excellence so that we create great sales and customer experience systems and processes within those systems, and then embedding the process, because we're talking about everyone, everywhere, every day improving. Everyone, everywhere, every day being empowered to create great performance. Want help? Let's have a discovery call. Let's do a 15 to 30 minute discovery call and work out, where are you now? Where do you want to get to? Let's talk about, can we help empower you or not? And if we think we can and you agree, then let's do a deep dive. This is all free, no obligation, to help you go from good to great. Come and join us. Let's help you change your world for the better.